Hello guys, this is the bird opening defense checkmate. The bird opening begins with f4. We reply by knight f6. After he plays knight f3, we play d3, d6. If after he plays a move like b3, controlling to get the bishop and control the dark square, play e5. After he takes the pawn, you also take. After the knight takes, play bishop d6, attack knight. If he moves away his knight, play knight g5. If he tries to kick the knight out, it's bishop g3 checkmate. If he develops his bishop, take his pawn. If he takes with the knights, it's again bishop g3 checkmate.